Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's. Welcome aboard the Joyride, a 1998 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. The Joyride has only had 2 owners since being put into service brand new in 1998. Features of this boat include camper canvas, which is only a few years old, radar, chart plotter, GPS, autopilot, engine synchronizer, fuel flow meters, air conditioning and heat, generator, and more. Going into the cabin, just 3 steps down, we have a nice sized galley to the port side with a 3-burner electric stove underneath that cover, microwave, built-in coffee maker. We have a salon couch that folds into a bed. Master stateroom is forward with 2 hanging lockers. A full-size head with separate shower. And a mid-cabin, as you can see, large enough for 2 adults to sleep. For more information on this 1998 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer, please call Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.